Publishing a vertical video across different social networks usually means opening each app and uploading the same clip with small tweaks again and again. In Metricool, one post covers all of them, adapting it to each platform. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. First, open the Metricool planner and click on Create Post. Then click on Add Video to select the video that you want to use. And here you can also select the social media platform where you want the video to go up. So for example, let's say you want TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Then here you can go ahead and add your caption, and this is the caption that's going to be used on all platforms unless you choose to customize it. If you want to customize it, all you have to do is to click on Edit Network by Network. So for example, let's say that I want to change the Instagram one, I can just go ahead and do it. Now, let's say that you went a little bit too far with the editing and you're not happy with your caption anymore. What you can do is click on Use Template, and this is going to restore the initial caption that you entered at the beginning. Now I'm going to show you what's distinctive about each tab. So for example, for Instagram, you can click here and choose to tag people, tag products, or you can go here and select the cover that you want to use. Then here you can also choose a trending audio from our library and decide if you want to show the reel on feed or not. In the TikTok tab, you can go ahead and upload a video thumbnail. You can select a cover like we just did for Instagram. And then if you scroll down, you can make your video either public or private. You can choose whether you want to allow comments and so on. And you can also go in and add a trending sound, just like we did for Instagram as well. And finally, for YouTube Shorts, you can go in and type a title, which is different from the caption. You can make it either public or private. You can add it to an existing playlist. You can pick the category and also add tags. And that's how one vertical video makes its way to all your social media platforms from one single Metricool post. If anything isn't clear or you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you. And if you want to try Metricool, you can find the sign up link in the description.